Hi, I'm Bethan. Welcome to Videojug, and this is skating in 5 easy steps.
There are many different turns, such as mohawks, brackets, choctaws, counters and rockers. The turn must flow easily and be skated on the correct edges. The 3-turn turns you from forwards to backwards or vice versa. You turn from one edge to the opposite edge on one foot. The mark left on the ice will show the number 3.
So here's how to do it in 5 easy steps.
Step 1. Keep your heels together, feet in the T position, bend your knees and push off. Step 2. Skate forwards on an inside edge with your weight over the front foot. The free leg extends behind. The opposite arm to the foot is forwards, with the other arm behind. Step 3. Rotate the arms and shoulders until the opposite ones are in front. Turn from forwards to backwards using your hips on an outside edge. Swing the free leg through, brushing past the ankle so it ends up behind you. Step 4. Your free foot should remain behind you in what is called the landing position. Your head stays in position. Step 5. Glide backwards on an outside edge.
So here's a few tips to help you and a few things to avoid.
Keep control of your hips, shoulders and body weight. Do not move your head when turning from front to back. Keep your shoulders relaxed. And don't over-rotate your body after the turn.
And here are those key steps one more time.
Keep your feet in a T position. Skate forwards on an inside edge. Rotate your arms and shoulders. Turn your hips on an outside edge and swing the free leg through. Glide backwards.
So now it's up to you to try it out, practice it, and have fun adding it to your ice skating moves and techniques. And if you enjoyed this, follow us on Videojug's YouTube channel for more skating in 5 easy steps.